my channel. My name is Simone and this is my unboxing video for the NYX Face Awards Top 50. This started. So first up we have this little sign that says congratulations. On the back it says welcome to the top 15. We were blown away by your artistry. Here's some love from us to help you grab a place in the top 6. Keep killing it. First up we have the stripped off cleansing oil. Next up we have the pore filler primer. We have the Away We Glow liquid boosters in the shades Zoned Out and Untamed. The Total Control Drop Foundation in the shade Buff, which is my absolute favorite. So we have 3 shades of the Stay Matte but Not Flat liquid foundation. These are medium beige, tan and light beige. We also have the Stay Matte but Not Flat powder foundation in the shade Sienna. We have the Sculpt and Highlight Face Duo in the shades Caramel and Vanilla. Micro Contour Duo Pencil Crayon Double in the shade Medium. The 3 steps to sculpt facing 3-step sculpt face sculpting palette. Next up we have the eyeshadow base in Skin Tone. The NYX Pigment Primer. We have 3 shades of the Strictly Vinyl liquid liners. These are Chrome, which is almost a very dark purpley tone. Then we have Hazy, which is a deep red. And Extra, which is a more vibrant purple. Vivid Brights colored liquid liner in the shade Vivid Sapphire. Shimmer Down Lip Veil in the shade Goth Love. Beautiful silvery tone. Then we have 2 lid lingerie in the shades Sweet Cloud and Rose Petal. Metallic eyeliner in the shade Rose Gold. Faux black eyeliner in Burnt Sienna. We have the holographic halo cream eyeliner in the shade Killing It. It's this beautiful holographic teal shade. Next up we have this Electric Pastels palette. Two off-tropic, two off-tropic palettes. One in the shade Shifting Sands. And the other in the shade Hasta La Vista. Wow, I just love these shades. They're so beautiful. Can't wait. The ultimate eyeshadow palette in Smoky and Highlight. My favorite mascara, which is the Worth the Hype mascara. Strictly Vinyl lip glosses in the shades Nightwalker, Sugar Mama, and Bad Girl. We have two matte lip liners in the shades Alabama, Orange County. This beautiful orange shade. Next up, NYX Liquid Suede in the shades Pink Lust, Life's a Beach, and Vintage. We also have Butter Lipstick in the shades Afternoon Heat, which is this red shade right here, and Root Beer Float. NYX Matte Lipstick in Malot, and Eden. NYX Soft Matte Metallic Lip Cream in the shade Havana. Duochromatic Shimmer Lip Gloss in Cocktail Party. Precision Brow Pencil in black. My favorite Dewy Finish Setting Spray. The Complete Control Blending Sponge. And this brush. Let me open it. Here you go. This is also a little selfie ring light for your mobile phone. And this sling bag has a little strap inside. Here's the strap. That's it guys, I just want to thank NYX Cosmetics for sending me all these goodies. I can't wait to use them in the next round. The challenge is emotions, so please stay tuned for my video. Thank you for all the love and support I've received. It's a lot, I can't believe it. Thank you very much.